I've been working in this business for a long time. One thing I've learned is this job is all about problem solving. Most of the time, you have to act fast and might have no idea what the problem is. That's why it's important for me to have tools I can rely on, so I can figure out what the issue is swiftly and efficiently. Blockages, root intrusion, cracked pipes, I've seen it all. So the quicker I can get down that drain and see what's going on, the quicker I can figure out what to do. Not everyone will know the full extent of what goes on beneath their feet, but I can give them a pretty good idea on the spot with a survey report and a detailed drawing. Whether I'm working on a big job or something smaller, it's reassuring that there's a company I can depend on that make the tools I need and use every day. No more digging up the ground, looking aimlessly for a broken pipe or being unable to explain issues to clients. Now I can find the problem, show the client and do what needs to be done.